Shining a Light on MEV, Tarun Chitra, Justin Drake. Summary: in this episode of Bell Curve, the host and co-host engage in a comprehensive conversation with Tarun Chitra and Justin Drake about minor maximal extractable value (MEV) within blockchain systems, such as Ethereum. They discuss the concept of MEV, its implications, challenges, and consequences, as well as its impact on various aspects of the blockchain and cryptocurrency ecosystem. The conversation begins with defining MEV and its philosophical, economic, and incentive aspects. It delves into the intricacies of MEV, touching upon the sequential and parallel nature of the options in the blockchain space, the transparency of the auction system, and the idea of MEV precedence. They also discuss the potential negative externalities of MEV, how it distorts the incentives in blockchain systems, and the possible ways to mitigate or eliminate these economic distortions. Throughout the conversation, the speakers explore the potential centralization caused by volatility and variance in MEV, the challenges faced by staking pools, and the impact of burning MEV on economic bandwidth. They discuss the trade-offs between minimizing MEV at the protocol layer versus encouraging better application development, and touch upon the potential moral hazard introduced by burning MEV. The conversation also addresses the role of latency and privacy in the blockchain and MEV ecosystem, covering the importance of latency in determining winners and losers in blockchain systems, the complications of Layer 2 scaling solutions, and the impact of new cryptography techniques on the economic microstructure. They discuss various privacy approaches for encrypting public blockchains, including encrypted mempools and the trade-offs involved in each method. The participants delve into the interconnected nature of MEV auctions, the concept of MEV as a supply chain, and the roles and responsibilities of Ethereum as a base protocol versus application developers in minimizing and protecting against MEV. They discuss protocol design, the trade-offs of enshrining certain solutions, and the importance of balancing fairness and efficiency in these systems. Lastly, the conversation touches on the problem of MEV and how certain solutions can seem like band-aids, shifting risk to the system level and introducing centralization. They discuss the broader economic implications of MEV, touching on inflation as a political decision, and the importance of latency and its impact on the supply chain. They also mention the idea of open sourcing knowledge on latency optimization and combating geographic centralization. In conclusion, the participants express excitement about an upcoming conversation with Matt, a representative from BlockNative, to gain more insights into the current state of the industry, the workings of block builders and relays, and the possible evolution of the space. This conversation provides a detailed and comprehensive understanding of MEV, its complexities, and its implications for the blockchain and cryptocurrency ecosystem. Notable quotes: in a way, this latency race is going to increase robustness, meaning that we won't be in a single jurisdiction. We'll be in all the jurisdictions, we'll be everywhere and nowhere. This quote is insightful, because it highlights how the ongoing competition to minimize latency in the MEV pipeline could inadvertently lead to a more robust and distributed system. By needing to optimize for latency and be close to validators, participants in the MEV pipeline are incentivized to establish a presence in multiple jurisdictions, reducing their vulnerability to regulatory actions or other potential disruptions in a single location. This increased geographic distribution may ultimately strengthen the resiliency of the Ethereum ecosystem as a whole. Should Ethereum be the Fed or the FDIC of MEV, in the sense that should it develop mechanisms that basically protect the applications that build on top of it and their users? Or should these application developers get better at making apps that expose less MEV? This quote is insightful because it raises a crucial question about the roles and responsibilities of Ethereum as a base protocol versus application developers in minimizing and protecting against MEV. It highlights the need for a balance between protecting users and ensuring that application developers prioritize minimizing MEV in their designs. The question also emphasizes the importance of considering the trade-offs and potential unintended consequences of implementing certain policies and solutions, drawing parallels between the challenges in MEV and the complexities of economic and social policy making. Content type: podcast interview. Content publisher: Blockworks. Publish date: March 2023.